Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to create a simple ball balancing game for your Android device using Accelerometer Input. Scripts and art assets can be downloaded by the links in the description. First create new scene, save it and add it to your build. Then add a background to your scene and reset it. Now we have to add some walls. I have this wood wall, I add it to my scene and set order and layer to 20, so it's rendered in front of everything in my scene. Then I duplicate this wall several times and snap them together by pressing V key. Walls are done. Now create new empty game object and name it wood walls. Select all of the wood walls and drag and drop them to this wood wall game object. Now they are children of this game object. Make sure all of the wood walls selected and add a box collider to all of them. Now we can move all the walls by dragging wood walls parent game object. Just like that. Okay. Now we need holes. Add one, set its order and layer to 9. And then add a circle collider to this hole. This circle collider needs to be edited a bit. X offset will be minus 0.1, Y offset will be 0.05, and radius will be 0.05. Now we have this tiny little circle collider in the center of our hole. Also, this collider will be a trigger. Our hole needs a script. Here it is. So when ball touches this collider, then its dead variable will be set to true, which we will see a bit later. Add this script to hole game object. Then duplicate this hole several times and spread these holes around the scene. Just like that. Select one of the holes and name it exit hole. It will be our win hole. Then create new empty game object and name it death holes. It will contain all of the death holes in our scene. Select all of the holes and drag and drop them to this death holes game object. OK. Select exit hole and change its tint a bit so it will be green. So it will be more obvious that this is the exit hole. OK, our exit hole needs a script. Here it is. So when ball collides with this hole, then your win variable is set to true, which we will see a bit later too. Add the script to exit hole game object. Then create new UI canvas and set its scale mode to scale with screen size. Right click on canvas and create new UI text. Name it win text. And edit text settings. Change font. Modify font size, set overflow, and set its color to this nice green one. Also, you can anchor this text to the center, holding Alt plus Shift keys. Also, you can change an alignment. It's time to add a ball to our scene. Add it, set its order and layer to 10, and then we need to add some animation to our ball. One of them will be ball alive. This animation will be used by default, and actually there will not be any animation in here. So let's create another one, create new animation and name it ball dead. This animation will be played when ball falls to one of the holes. In this animation we have to click record button, then slide timeline marker to the last frame and set its scale to 0. So if we hit play, we will see how ball is disappearing. Okay, this animation is done. Select ball dead animation and uncheck its loop time, so this animation will be played only once. Select our ball and go to Animator window. Here are our animations. Order it a bit and then go to Parameters section and add new parameter. It will be bool. Name it ball dead. Then right-click to Ball Alive animation and make a transition to Ball Dead animation. Select this transition, uncheck Has Exit Time, and add new condition. So Ball Alive animation will be switched to Ball Dead animation when Ball Dead is true. We will change this variable through the script. Okay, go to our scene and select Ball Game Object. Add a circle collider to it and make sure this circle collider fits the shape of our ball. Then add rigid body to the component. Change mass to 2, so our ball will move a bit faster. Set gravity scale to 0, collision detection to continuous, and constrain its Z rotation. Our ball needs a script that will control our ball and the entire scene. Here is the script. It's pretty well commented, so there mustn't be any problem to figure it out. But if you have some questions about it, so you can put them to the comment section and I will try to explain it a bit better. Okay, add the script to Ball Game Object. Select Ball Game Object and proceed to Ball Control script. Here we have Move Speed Modifier slider, so you can change its value by sliding this dot. And also you can change this variable by typing numbers in this field. Another thing we need to do is to drag and drop WinText Game Object into corresponding slot of Ball Control script. Here we go. Okay, everything is ready. Let's take a look how it works on Android device. So we can control our ball using accelerometer of our Android device. And if ball falls into death hole, then scene is restarted. And if ball falls into exit hole, then your win sign appears and scene is reloaded so you can play again. Hope you liked this video, thank you for watching, see you next time.